Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, in this video we are going to discuss a super duper concept here. That concept is binomial. This concept is useful for NDA or defense examination, and this is one of the most important topic in NDA examination. Now see here, first of all, what is called term independent of x. Term independent of x. If the any equation is in the form of ax power p plus r by bx power q whole power n, then here r value is np by p plus q. Here we have n value, p value and q value. So what is the value here? R is equal to np by p plus q. From this we find the value of tr plus 1. We know the formula of tr plus 1, ncr is equals to x to the power of r into y to the power of n minus r. So here tr plus 1 is the independent term of x. Here to find the r value, what is the formula? R is equals to np by p plus q. Here n is the power and p and q are the powers of x. Okay, now in similarly, next see here is the second one. Find the number of the terms in a1 plus a2 plus so on ak whole power n. To find the number of the terms, what is the formula? N plus k minus 1 ck minus 1. It is a formula to find the number of the terms if any equation is in the form a1 plus a2 plus so on ak whole power n. See here we have one of the example. Example is 1 plus 2x minus 7y plus d whole power 6. Here n value is 6, k value is 4. If substitute these values in this formula, we get the total number of terms. Total number of terms. Here we have some problems based on this concept. Now see the first problem. See the question. First question, sum of coefficient of all terms in the expansion of 45x minus 49 power 4. Question ఏంటంటే sum of the coefficients. ఇక్కడ x coefficient is 45, here 49 is a constant. If the find the question ఏంటంటే sum of the coefficient of all terms in the expansion. Find the sum of the coefficients. Here what are the coefficients? 45 and 49. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? జస్ట్ యాడ్ ద నంబర్స్. 45 minus 49 whole power 4. So 45 minus 49 minus 4 whole power 4 minus 4 whole power 4. The value become positive. Positive value is 256. Okay. And similarly, we have another problem also. See the question. 1 plus x whole power 50. 1 plus x whole power 50. Find the sum of coefficients of odd powers of x. Okay, in last problem only we have to find all the terms. We don't need to find the even terms and odd terms, but in this question is specially mentioned find the sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x. So first of all, find the total terms. What are the coefficients here? Constant is 1, x coefficient is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 power 50. To find the odd terms, divide with 2. In similarly, if the question is find the sum of the coefficients of even powers of x, same, divide with 2. Here we have another similar examples here. See here, if the any equation is in the form of 2 plus 3x whole power 99, 2 plus 3x whole power 99, to find the sum of coefficient of all terms. To find the sum of coefficient of all terms, what is the value? Coefficients are 2 and 3. What are the coefficients? 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 to the power of 99 is the sum of the coefficient of terms in the expansion. And similarly, we have another equation also. 1 minus 3x plus x square whole to the power of 100, which gives here what are the coefficient? Constant 1 minus 3, x square coefficient is 1 plus 1 whole to the power of 100. So value is 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole to the power of 100. 100 is even value, so value become 1. Okay, it is a positive value. In the same way we have another example also. I am writing here 2x plus 3y plus 42 whole to the power of 20. 2x plus 3y plus 42 is equals to whole to the power of 20. So what are the coefficient? 2 plus 3 plus 42 whole to the power of 20 means 42 plus 2 44, 44 plus 3 47 to the power of 20 is the our required value. Here what are we doing? Just adding the coefficients. Just adding the coefficients, we get our required answer. Now next we will see the another problems. Here see the sum of the problems. See the question. Find the coefficients of x power 6 y power 3 in this expansion x plus 2y whole power 9. Here what you have to find the coefficients of x power 6 y cube in expansion x plus 2y whole power 9. See the solution of the first one. Here first write 9 here, 9c. Here power is 9, so first write 9c. Next what we required? X power 6 y power cube. So here what is the first term? X. Write x as it is, write the power 6. Okay, next what is the second value? 2y. Second value is 2y, but what is the coefficient of y here? 3. So write here 2y power 3. Next similarly here also write 3. The 3 is the power of the second term. 3 is the power of the second term. So value is here, what is the value? 9c cube. X coefficient is 1, 1 power 6 is 1, no need to write. What is the y coefficient? Y coefficient is 2, value become 2 cube. It is the coefficient of x power 6 y power 3. Coefficient of x power 6 y power 3. Similarly see the second problem. What is the second problem? A minus 2b whole power 12. Find the coefficient of a power 5 b power 7. So first here write this 12 here, 12c. What are the values in the expansion? A and minus 2. A and minus 2. But what is the power of a here? 5. Right, 5 here. Next what is the power of b here? 7. So write 7 here. That implies here what we write? Write the power of the second term. What is the power of the second term? 7. 12 is 7. So what is the coefficient of a power 5 and b power 7? A power 5 into b power 7, 12c power 7. 12c7. Coefficient of a is 1, 1 to the power of 5, 1, no need to write. Here what is the value? Coefficient of b is minus 2 whole power 7. Right here minus 2 whole power 7. This is the coefficient of a to the power of 5 and b to the power of 7. See this one. This is a somewhat different problem. 6c. Here what we require? X power 4, coefficient of x power 4 y power 12. First write the terms here. 5x square and the second one is minus 2y cube. These are the two terms. What we require? X to the power of 4, but already we have x square, so write here 2. 2 4, it become x power 4. Similarly here we have 3, but actually what we require? Y to the power of 12. Y to the power of 12. So what we write here? 4. Okay, so write here power of the second term. What is the power of the second term here? 4. So what we write? 6 c power 4. So value is c4 5 square minus 2 whole power 4. These are the coefficients of the expansion. These problems are useful for NDA or defense examination, and this is a most important topic. Okay, thank you.